How to block YouTube channel on your device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily block the YouTube channel from your device. So let's say this is a channel, for example, which you don't like, or the channel from which you don't want to see any content from. So let's say this is my first content, and as you can see, when I click on the three dot icon, you can simply report the channel like this by saying what it does to you, or you can particularly block or hide the channel by heading over to that particular channel and simply clicking on the top three bar icon over here, three dot icon, and from there you can also see the new option called block channel for children. You can either block it for the children if they are using too much from this channel, or you can also simply click on hide user from a channel, and from here what it will be doing is, if you click on confirm by clicking hide user, this will prevent the channel from commenting, liking, or subscribing, or visiting your channel. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.